Welcome to Newton Nissan. You can see other vehicles at newtonnissan.com. This is a 2015 Ford Explorer Limited. Has such features such as a panoramic moonroof, leather pointed seat trim, navigation, rear camera, power folding third row seat, and the mid row seats are captain's chairs. Power lift gate. These are in the folded storeaway mold, and that is right there. There we go. So a really cool feature, and you can flip up the headrest there. All right. Nice deep area there, like if you need to put in a stroller or something of that nature, or other cargo. That gives you extra cargo room because it's not evened out with the floor. It goes down in there. It's your captain's chairs, which are, of course, you could fold up your seat, but it's really handy with small kids if you have captain's chairs because they can just dart right through there and get to the third row seat. So it's a nice option in your third row SUVs. Leather pointed seat trim, panoramic moonroof, memory seat, power tilt and telescoping, power pedals. I guess it needs me to. Navigation, rear camera, Sony premium audio system, and much more. You can see more pics, more information, more specs on this vehicle at newtonnissan.com, of course, for a limited time.